This is a website where you can win $100 when you fix a bug. But wait, you can also lose a $100 when you don't fix it. Let's get right into it and show you what I mean. So after visiting the website, you will land in the sign up screen of the website. The first cool thing about this website is that you only need a username to sign up or sign in. No email, password, or anything like that. So let's sign up with the greatest actor of all time, James Spader. So we will go with James Spader 10. Click the sign up button, and there we go. We are at the home screen of the web app. Now there are 3 navigations you can see, and I think they are already self-explanatory. We are going to look heavily at the Fix Bug navigation here, then we climax it with the Profile section. So when we come to the Fix Bug navigation, we get 3 bottom navigation bar here, and the first one we are going to talk about is the third one. I hope you are not confused. So in here, this is where you post the bug and start the challenge. So you select an image from your favorite directory. I made it an image, so the level of cheating is reduced by a lot. No copy and paste to ChatGPT, guys. Then you add a caption. Usually this is where you go with the price when someone fixed the bug, and the same amount will be paid if someone does not fix it. So you can say fix the bug for $100. You add the programming language, let's say Python, and you add the bug answer or how you can fix the bug. Don't worry, this information is not revealed to the user. Then all you have to do is press post bug and the challenge begins. Can we all spam the comments with "the challenge begins"? Thanks guys, appreciate it. So now we just visit the second bottom navigation bar here, and this is where you could possibly see thousands of bugs being posted and their prizes if you fix them. Let's check this one over here. When we press the comment section, in an effort to solve the bug, we get directed to this interface we see here. We get to see the bug much clearer. We get to see the name of the person, the details of the caption, the comments, we will talk about that more soon, whether the bug is solved or not, and the programming language the bug is in, so we get more clarity in solving the bug. Not that you guys don't know when you see a particular programming language. So on the comment section, we can see how many comments we have. And this is the first step to getting the $100. You get to see people's reply. And after every submission of a reply, there is a code that runs that compares the bug answer given by the original owner and your actual submission. This code is infused with AI, so it understands the bug answer and your comment answer, and whenever you get the right answer, you will get a notification of bug solved, you won. So let's give it a try. First off, we are going to give a wrong answer. An answer I know is wrong, and we will see what happens. So I type in here, this is due to type error. I submit. And as you can see, we will get not the bug answer. And we also get possible fix added as well. We also see that it still has a not solved indication here. Now let's type in the correct answer for the bug. There we go. Now send again. And you see bug solved, you won, and possible fix added. We also see that the not solved has changed to solved. We can see the comments we type in here as well. Cool. And when we go to the profile section, you will see that your earnings has increased by $100 and the bug solved to 1 as well. And also, this is how simple the profile section of the web app is. Going back to the fix bug section, we get to see a rank system. A rank system ordered by bugs solved or ordered by earnings. Let's go, James. So there you have it. Let me know in the comment section what features you want me to add to it. This is fairly new, so there may be a degree of, should I say, bugs. I don't think it is a bug, just trying to intend a pun. Anyway, for example, I think the comment section should not be available for everyone, since you will already have incorrect answers in them, already making a new person know what not to type. Also, I think the user having access to the image before answering the question puts the owner of the bug, so to speak, at a disadvantage since they have all the time in the world to figure out the bug. This is a project I am working on, and if people like them and it becomes successful, all these shortcomings will be fixed. Grab the link in the description and have a try. Also, make sure to subscribe to get the latest updates on this project. It was nice sharing this with you. I hope you loved the video. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment on what videos you want me to create, and smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Until the next video, adios.